Si Laurentius ada di situ. Kita tiba-tiba di kebunnya si Laurentius, coba. Ini banyak babi gini.
And I'll kill you again if I have to. I'll kill all of you.
What the hell?
Hugo!
Anjay, keren cuy, pengendali tikus. Pengendali tikus kita cuy. Sini tikus, sini. Lindungin kita. Mampus kau.
I'm sorry, Hugo.
Attack! Kill her!
What do I do?
Hello and welcome again di Dresomnia Channel, dan gue akan lanjutin game A Plague Tale: Innocence. Dan di sini kita udah sampai di chapter 13, dimana si Hugo juga udah dikasih elixir ya buat nahan Prima Maculanya. Buat yang belum nonton video sebelumnya, check link in description. Dan kita akan langsung saja lanjut ke gamenya ya. At the Darun Estate, Amicia and Lucas discovered the ya ceritanya gitulah.
Amicia, you won't believe it. Roderick beats Arthur at the sling.
That's not true. He was in front of the line.
Okay.
You're just rubbish.
Tiba-tiba riweuh, gua teh baru bangun riweuh gitu.
If you don't play by
Nyawa
the
ge
rules,
belum ngumpul.
Tell me.
Hugo!
Kemana si
I
Hugo?
keep telling you seen Hugo?
Kemana si Hugo sih? What?
Hugo!
Hey,
Hugo! Hugo!
Hugo!
Lah kok bisa-bisanya mereka gak nyadar cuy gak ada si Hugo, aneh.
Oh no. He's gone.
Kalungnya gak ada. Harusnya ada 2 kalung kan, yang satu punya si Hugo. Tiba-tiba hilang.
Hugo! Answer! Hugo!
Bayangin kalau lu bocil diantah berantah, kira-kira lu bakal pergi kemana coba? Lagian si Amicia ini nyari kemana coba? Gak ada petunjuk juga.
Oh, my head.
Balik lagi bisa gak?
Gently now.
Gak bisa.
Gently.
Oke, kita akan mencari si Hugo meskipun gua gak punya petunjuk kemana gua harus nyari, coba ini.
Don't stop. Go on. Hugo!
Emang bakal kesini cuy. Bocil gitu.
Can he have gone? Think, Amicia. Think.
Kira-kira bakal kemana larinya cenah. Oke, ada suara-suara.
Is that a village?
Nah,
Here?
what? Kok tiba-tiba di desa anjir? Barusan masih di hutan, tiba-tiba ada.
Hey, wait. Did anyone
Ada orang
see a
aja.
child come through here? Please.
Ada orang cuy.
Amicia, are you feeling better? How is the little one?
Siapa itu cuy?
Is that you? Have you seen Hugo?
Did you shout at him again?
No, absolutely not.
Times are hard enough already.
Oh, itu orangnya di situ anjir.
But we weren't arguing anymore.
Amicia, a child never runs away without a reason.
Open the door.
Iya, gua
I'm
tahu,
going
tapi
to
alasannya
find him.
apa coba?
All right, but be careful.
Kayaknya ini mimpi dah.
An ill
Tuh.
wind is on its way, Amicia.
The hell?
What is that?
This
What is going on?
Amicia, I've been waiting for you.
si Laurentius ada di situ. Kita tiba-tiba di kebunnya si Laurentius,
really
coba.
Where
Ini
is
banyak babi gini.
He's gone.
I knew this would happen.
I did take care of him.
Then why did he leave?
I don't know. I did everything I could to protect him.
Kayaknya ini mimpi dah.
Horrible things.
It is easy to spill blood, but to love, to protect,
I'm going to find him.
then go and pray there is still time.
Mommy, I hear a noise outside.
Oke,
That's
kita harus
him.
masuk.
Mother?
Tiba-tiba di rumah tuh.
Yes.
Gak mungkin nyata ini
Your
teh.
brother's here.
How is he?
If he's back, it's because he's not very well.
But I did everything.
You hid the truth from him.
But
His emotions, Amicia. I warned you.
let me see him.
He doesn't want to see you.
Who are you talking to, Mummy?
I have to see him.
He doesn't need you anymore.
Oke, itu si Hugo di situ.
Go on, man. See for yourself.
Kenapa si Hugo ini, cuy? Dan kamarnya berantakan. Kita cek dulu ada material gak di sempat-sempatnya nyari material gua. What is
Knight's
this?
figurine.
Naik figurin.
One of his toys.
Oke. Ada figur kesatria di situ. Dan buat apa? I don't know. Si Hugo masih anteng sama mainannya ya. Ya udah kita samperin aja, cuy. Karena tidak ada apapun lagi yang bisa gua buka-buka.
Hugo, are you
Hugo.
alright?
No.
Maneh kunaon?
What's the matter? Why did you leave?
Why didn't you tell me Mummy was alive?
It was for your own good, Hugo.
That's not true. You didn't want me to know.
Don't say that.
You're jealous. Jealous. Let go of me.
Hugo, no!
Gua gak paham, cuy. Lah tiba-tiba pindah tempat lagi.
Hugo. Where are you?
Hah? Let me out, cenah. Oh, tuh kan kata gua juga tadi mimpi pingsan jatuh ke lubang gitu. Pas jatuh ke lubang langsung pingsan, langsung mimpi. I want to go home. Nah, ini kayaknya asli nih.
He's there. Thank you.
Tuh kan ditangkap dia, cuy.
Where's your sister, eh?
I don't know.
Yeah, she would make a nice little bonus on top.
Laugh while you can.
Kayaknya harus gua kill ya. Mampus kau.
So that's where you
Come on.
Amicia.
Nice.
I'm here. Everything's alright, Hugo. It's over. Hey, are you alright? They didn't hurt you, did they?
No.
But why did you go off
Gua
like
juga
that?
tadi mimpi ya.
Mummy.
Gak mungkin
Calling
nyata.
me.
It must have been a nightmare, that's all.
I really thought it was her. She was in pain and
She can't feel pain where she is now. We talked about this.
Terus gua harus kemana ini?
She's gone, Hugo. You have to accept it.
Sini kah?
Let's go back.
alright.
We must get back to the castle.
Go back berarti ke sini kan? Balik lagi atau ke sana? Coba gua ke sana dulu ya. Apakah ada jalan ke sini? Kayaknya gak ada, cuy. Itu kastilnya kan? Ya udahlah, gua akan ke sini aja dulu.
Mummy.
What?
Amicia, it's Mummy.
What?
Ada suara ibunya anjir.
It's coming from over there. We have to go.
Ah, enggak,
you're not
mungkin, gak
going.
mungkin.
But why? Let go of me.
Ya
Hugo.
elah.
I'm coming, Mummy.
Gak mungkin anjir. Gak mungkin itu ibunya, cuy. Gua mau nembak gagak gak jelas parah. Oke. Kita akan kejar si Hugo ya. Aduh, si Hugo ini. Gak mungkin ibunya manggil si Hugo gitu. Secara gitu pengen anaknya selamat, cuy.
Stop it!
Tiba-tiba ada di rumah.
No! No!
Kata si Hugo,
I
woi,
need you!
I'm coming. Where are you?
It's not Mommy, Hugo!
Mummy, I'm
ada tangan, udah ya?
No! No! Shut up!
Buset, ini
Let go of me!
mayat prajurit, cuy.
I did it for him! And I'll kill you again if I have to! I'll kill all of you!
What the hell?
Not now! Hugo!
What are you doing?
No, Nicholas! Don't touch him! No!
Where is your
Hugo! Run! Get away from me!
There is no one there. Come. Let's go.
Hugo! Hugo, no! No! They're going to!
Bentar, gue bingung mana kenyataan, mana mimpinya gitu. Kayak yang mana yang nyata, cuy? Apakah gue barusan masih mimpi ya, si Amicia ini masih mimpi atau udah bangun gitu? Ikatan
It is
darah.
that.
Nah, kita udah sampai di chapter 14 sekarang.
Can I go and see my mother now?
Only the Grand Inquisitor may say.
But you told me.
Tiba-tiba si
My
Hugo ada
words
di
are of no importance.
tangan
Only
alkemis
those of the
Inquisisi.
Grand Inquisitor. But be sure, you are very precious to him indeed.
Kayaknya tadi si Emilia itu kayak semacam apa ya? Mimpi tapi nyatu sama kenyataan gitu. Kayak gimana ya? Oh, dan sekarang gua pakai si Hugo anjay.
I have to find mommy.
Dan aslinya si Hugo ini emang udah diambil sama si Nicholas gitu. Cuman representasi yang dilihat sama si Emilia kayak kayak tadi lah. Mungkin akibat trauma juga kali ya. Oke, sekarang gua harus kemana? Gua harus nyari si... Oh, jadi gini. Gini perasaan yang dialami si Hugo ya. Dan sekarang gua harus nyari si Beatrice ya, ibunya si Hugo ini. Ya, beginilah POV jadi si Hugo, cuy. POV jadi bocil. Dan gue bisa masuk ke sini. Oke. Kita akan masuk ke sini.
Your ordeal is nothing compared.
Jangan berisik. Kita akan ngendap-ngendap ya. Gak boleh sampai ketahuan nih. Oke, dia balik lagi ke sini. Agak ngumpet cuy. Mana dia? Gak kelihatan. Oh itu. Oke, dan gua harus kemana? Kita akan buntutin dia. Gak ada jalan. Ngumpet. Ih, gak ketahuan. Nice. Oke, dibukain jalan sama dia. Come on. Gak nyampe coy. Gak nyampe. Kalem.
What was that?
Oh. Hampir aja.
Strange.
Oke, tunggu dia maju dulu, nanti dia balik lagi ya. Oke, diem Hugo, anjir eta huluna kepalanya gak bisa diem coba. Diem apa itu pala? Oke. Nah, dibukain sama dia, let's go. Oke. Kita berada di mana gua gak tahu. Kayaknya ini dapur ya. Dapur kah atau apa?
Where's mommy?
Apa itu cuy?
Materials. Gold you
Kayaknya
need.
ini semacam
By breaking
laboratorium.
you, I clear your way. The way to the blood of the chosen one.
Laboratorium alkemis. Oke, kita akan buntutin dia cuy. Sans. Jangan terlalu dekat. Jangan terlalu cepat. Aduh, lila. Lama kali jalannya teh. Oke. Sepertinya aman. Gua akan ngendap-ngendap di sini.
Medicus.
Oh.
How's today's refining gone?
Hampir aja.
But the mass of raw episanguis is decreasing. Our harvesters are being
Tunggu dia balik badan, cuy.
Do your best. The life of the Grand Inquisitor.
Gua merasa jadi bocil yang ngendap-ngendap, yang nggak boleh ketahuan sama orang dewasa gitu. Ya karena emang seperti itu mungkin ya rasanya. Kayak tikus anjir. Cosplay jadi tikus gitu. So, where shall I go? Oke. Oh, ada botol, jangan sampai kesenggol. Botolnya jangan sampai kesenggol. Lagian banyak botol gini kayak sengaja disimpan gitu.
Fear it will now attack his mind.
Don't worry. The boy's blood will restore
Kayak
the
sengaja
powers.
disimpan di situ gitu. Why?
Ablucam.
Hati-hati. Oke. Gua harus kemana? Gua harus kemana? Kayaknya gua harus ke kanan kali ya. Tunggu dia. Oh kan dia balik badan cuy. Baru mau gue tungguin. Oke dan gimana ya? Oh itu jalan gua kah? Kayaknya ke cahaya itu ya. Sun. Nah, sip. Oke, let's go. Yap, kita ke sini. Nice. Oke, udah kita lewatin lantai pertama. Di lantai kedua ini ada siapa? Apakah aman? Tuh kan masih ada orang cuy. Masih ada orang. Sans. Kita lihat dulu pergerakannya. Oh kayaknya gitu doang ya. Dia ngebalik badan buat ngambil sesuatu di ember ini. Cairan entah apa itu. Cairan episanguis. Keren.
20 pounds. We have almost reached the objective.
Ada lagi. Perasaan dia tadi di bawah, kenapa tiba-tiba di atas cuy? Beda orang kah?
Miracle that Vitalis' body can take such quantities of episanguis.
Wait, kayaknya yang itu bisa balik badan.
Protects him. It protects us all.
Kalem. Oke, dia diem. Tuh kan balik badan. Apa gua bilang? Santai aja, santai. Yang penting kita sampai ke tujuan ya. Nyari si Beatrice. Kalem. Tunggu dia balik badan. Aduh, deg-deg. Bego, malah ketahuan. What the hell? Gua kira gak akan ketahuan, cuy. Oke, then. Dia disokin.
20 pounds. We have almost reached the objective.
I hope so. Because that's all
Ih, gak ketahuan.
miracle that Vitalis' body can take such.
Let's go, langsung jalan.
Afraid. Not afraid.
Anjir.
You on the list?
Banyak gini orangnya, cuy. Sementara gua cuman bocil gitu. Dan mereka orang dewasa.
You'll be right next to the Grand Inquisitor when he frees us. And I'll be stuck here.
We'll all meet again afterwards. The end of the bite.
Oke, aman.
Quite a party.
Oke, kita buntutin dia, cuy.
Come on. Be brave.
Kita buntutin. Kita belok ke sini. Oke, amankah? Hey yo, dia diam di situ. Balik badan sono. Balik lagi. Oke, dia diam di situ doang, cuy. Somehow. Ih, naik. Aneh, gak ketahuan. Anjir, ini gua harus stealth mode terus kah? Sampai kapan gua stealth mode terus, cuy?
Nobody saw me. Like Melly.
Oke. Tidak ada seorang pun yang melihatku. Oh, what the hell? Oh, gua bisa pakai tabir asap ini buat sembunyi, cenah.
No help. Damn it.
Oke, kita tunggu tabir asapnya muncul dan kita jalan. Let's go. Hup. Aduh, udah deket, coy. Bejir lah. Ih.
Let's check it out.
Ih. Kalem. Dia curiga sih. Kayaknya kesenggol dah sama gua.
Nothing here.
Oke, balik lagi ke pos lu. Sip. Hampir aja. Ya kayaknya kesenggol sama gua tadi. Hampir anjir. Ngagetin sih kayaknya. Oke, gua harus kemana ini? Masih jauh kah?
I demand to see Vitalis now.
Ada apa tuh?
Grand Inquisitor is very busy.
Busy. I
Oke, kayaknya lagi dimarahin sama pastor ya, Archbishop.
Seigneur, the
Archbishop itu apa sih cuy kalau bahasa Indonesianya?
his mission was
Ya itulah pokoknya.
by the church.
Kayak di atasnya pastor gitu.
Heresy and occultism. And you.
Oh, what the hell?
Shut up.
Itu si Prima Macchiola ini ngasih efek apa sih cuy ke si Hugo tuh? Oke. Sekarang gua harus kemana ini? Masih panjangkah jalannya? Apa?
He mustn't see me.
Oke, kita gak boleh terlihat sama dia. Masih panjangkah jalannya ini? Gua harus kemana cuy? Kayaknya kesini kali ya. Masuk. Iya, benar sekali insting gua.
The text clearly mentions the
Bisa-bisanya ada lobang di sini.
during the Great Plague of Justinian.
I knew it.
The Roman nobles isolated him from the people and worshipped him in secret.
Maybe an ancestor of Hugo de Rune. Continue.
Oke.
They're talking about me.
Nenek moyang si Hugo cenah. Ada apa dengan nenek moyang si Hugo? Oke, gua akan jalan ke belakangnya cuy. Dia lagi fokus sama bukunya. Oke, aman. Aman ya, aman. Duh, gua teh suka nelen ludah cuy kalau lagi tegang. Kenapa ya? Suka nelen ludah gitu kalau lagi tegang. Kalau misalkan lagi tegang suka ngapain cuy?
The Prima Macula, on the cusp of the first threshold,
Kalem.
devours the lost.
Aduh, dia kesini cuy. Ih, hampir. Untung gua langsung kesini loh. Kalau diam di situ gua ketahuan kayaknya. Kalem. Alamak, mereka kesini. Oh enggak. Aman. Gua kira bakal kesini dia. Oke, let's go. Kita buntutin dia. Kita buntutin yang di depan, lalu belok ke kanan kali ya. Belok sini. Hampir. Oke, let's go. Kayaknya gua harus kesini.
Rune's research texts are all coded. I give up.
I have some good news. They finally moved her to the basement.
So she's going to crack. About time.
Oke, dia ke situ, gua ke sini. Itu jalan kemana, cuy? Ada jalan di situ. Oh, ini juga ada jalan. Oke, tunggu dia balik badan dulu bentar. Oke. Nah, kan dia ngadep ke sini nih. Kalau gua langsung ke sini kayaknya gua ketahuan. Jadi tunggu dia balik lagi dulu. Siap? 1, 2, 3. Lep. Nice. Let's go.
Amicia, I found Mommy.
Oke. Kita udah nemuin si Beatrice cenah. Sini kah? Let's go, jalan. Kayaknya aman di sini. Where to go now?
She's in the basement, they said. I have to keep going down.
Harus ke basement gua. Gua teh harus ke basement cenah teh. Kemana teh basementnya teh? Basementnya ada di mana cuy? Kita harus nyari basement. Pokoknya ada jalan ke bawah berarti itu basement. Gitu aja ya. Simple itu. Kalem. Ada penjaga disokin. Ada 2 orang. Ternyata cutscene anjay.
Grand Inquisitor, the Archbishop has arrived.
Perfect.
Oke. Si Vitalis nih, biang kerok anjir.
Vitalis,
Monseigneur Gautier, I
Guilty.
trust your journey went well.
Now spare me your niceties. We grow tired of your little game, Vitalis.
Game, Archbishop? Can a game change the future of the world?
Listen to yourself. You have completely lost your mind. And all this is...
If I may, it's important. We have the blood of Hugo de Rune. Have you tested it? Yes. Alas, Monseigneur. The boy should have reached the first threshold already.
Oh, darah si
It
Hugo
seems
udah
something in his
diambil.
blood has slowed the process. The macula is still in its original state. No matter. If the books are correct, my blood and his will be bound. Okay. When he reaches the next threshold, I shall reach it with him.
Darahnya si Vitalis sama darahnya si Hugo bisa nyatu, cenah. Bisa bersatu. Lo jarum suntingnya gede gitu. Sampai bolong-bolong tangannya.
That's enough. You play the martyr. But allow me to tell you the truth. You are a vile heretic driven mad by power. The Pope considers you a threat. Vitalis Benevent, you are to be excommunicated.
One can excommunicate a man, Archbishop, but not a saint.
Your Inquisition is over.
Meaning that a new era commences. One where puppets such as yourself will kneel.
Udah dikeluarin si Vitalis ini dari kegerejaannya. Tapi masih pada setia bawahannya, cuy. Karena dia Grand Inquisitor.
Very good. Go and see whether Beatrice de Rune has regained consciousness.
Oke. Jadi benar ya, ibunya si Hugo masih ada katanya. Masih hidup. Dan si Nicholas ini mau ngelihat si Beatrice.
Why does she keep
Meskipun
resisting
takut
my
nih bocil, berani cuy. Berani ngehadapin ketakutannya gitu. Lalu,
We both fight the
berani
plague.
gak lu? Kayak si Hugo.
Only our methods differ.
Kalau berani,
The daughter
jempol
is
gua.
making the same error.
What was that?
Hampir aja gua ketahuan. Oke. Pas mau dicek tiba-tiba penjaganya langsung ngeliat si Nicholas. Langsung sigap.
Sir.
Eh?
So, you saw the Grand Inquisitor?
Come on.
Aman
The
aja.
carrier flows through his veins. The conjuration will take place.
Kita harus ikutin si
The end of
Nicholas
the
ini ya.
plague is nigh.
Indeed. But do not lower your guard.
Ya kayaknya si Vitalis ini emang pengen ngendaliin wabah cuy. Pengen ngendaliin tikus-tikus gitu. Pakai darahnya si Hugo. Pakai Prima Macula.
Over there.
Malah ketahuan, bego. The hell, gua kira gak akan ketahuan. Kita ulang lagi ya. Siapa yang ngelihat gua, cuy? Rasanya ini enggak dah. Oke, dia balik badan kah? Enggak tuh. Terus siapa? Kok bisa gua ketahuan? Ah, game ngebug anjir. Game ngebug, game nyata cuy. Ada aja. Oke, gua harus ke kiri apa ke kanan? Gua gak ngeliat si Nicholas kemana tadi. Gua harus kemana nih? Sama aja kah? Oh, kayaknya bukan ke sini ya. Oke, dan gua akan ke kiri aja. Oke, kita udah sampai di taman dan kita bisa melihat langit. Hore!
Congratulations on capturing the child.
Akhirnya keluar
We've been after
dari
him for weeks.
tempat bau
He
itu.
simply turns up here asking to see his mother.
Seems he has a sense of humor.
That he won't be keeping for long. I have to go and see his mother myself.
Anjir, capek banget cuy pakai si Hugo anjir. Masalah gua gak bisa barbar gitu. Oke, dia OTW mau ke tempatnya si Beatrice. Hampir. Terus Gua harus kemana ini cuy? Di sini ada nih orang. Oh, dia balik lagi. Oke. Oke, agak lari dikit. Come on. Come on.
What is it? Something moved.
Gak bisa cuy. Gua harus gimana coba?
We've been after him for weeks.
Atau gua bisa ke...
Simply turns up here asking to see his mother.
Gua bisa ke sini kayaknya. Ya, aman di sini cuy.
He has a sense of humor that he won't be keeping for long.
Dan di sana ada satu penjaga yang lagi nangkring.
What's he going to do with her?
Kayaknya dia ngantuk dah. Lagi ngantuk kayaknya. Oke. Tunggu penjaga yang itu balik ke sana ya, ke gentong itu. Ke kotak. Kotak apa gentong itu teh? Ya itulah pokoknya. Dan kita akan lurus dari sini. Let's go. Awas ranting keinjak. Gua yakin itu nembolin suara cuy dan bikin orang curiga. Kita fokus aja ngejar si Nicholas. Oh. Hampir ketahuan. Amankah? Kayaknya aman. Nah, ini ada sesuatu di sana cuy. But I don't care.
Oh no!
Ya.
Another way, quickly.
Cepat. Cari jalan lain. Ternyata emang harus ke sini, cuy. Memang harus ke sini.
As I was telling you, this guard was devoured, but not completely. His bones were cut up and taken away by
Harus
the
gimana ini?
rats. For what purpose? To incorporate them into that material we find.
Kayaknya gua harus lewat sini ya.
You mean their nests? They use our dead to build their nests.
What is that?
Precisely. And if we do nothing, at the
tunggu
rate
siapa itu
the
yang lagi
dead
di otopsi
are
cuy?
accumulating, the nests will eventually
I don't care.
join together.
I don't care.
Form
Kita harus nyari ibu
giant
kita, si Beatrice.
It's just a matter
Mana
of
sini ya?
time.
So let us pray that Vitalis' conjuration
Kayaknya
ceremony
mereka
will
lagi
take place.
nyelidikin tentang
I won't find Mommy without him.
tikus-tikus ini ya. Mayat yang dimakan sama tikus gitu. Jadi teliti mayatnya teh. Kan di sini juga banyak tikus gerak.
These rats.
Tell me,
Ada tikus percobaan.
seeing as we have to transport them.
You have nothing to fear from them. Meticulous crossbreeding and a little alchemy has tempered their instincts. Not to mention a radical change of diet.
Hey, kid. Help me. Help me.
What's wrong with him now?
Die quiet. Trying to work here.
I'd rather he waited a little while.
Gua dipanggil sama penjaga, sama tahanan anjir. Hampir aja ketahuan gua. Untung gua posisinya di situ.
Savor this respite.
Oh.
Your death is not an end.
Gila, kakinya pada dipotong
Your blood
cuy.
shall nourish a new race.
Pembuluh darah di kakinya pada dipotong.
They shall be your children.
Dan dikasih makan ke tikus coba. Oh, salah. Oke. Kayaknya aman gua lewat langsung aja kali ya. Oke. Hampir aja gua ketahuan. Let's go, kita ikutin dia cuy.
If she sees her son with a knife to his throat, she'll corroborate.
Aduh, ditutup lagi. Kayaknya gua bakal di-kill kalau misalkan gua udah gak berguna cuy. Si Hugo maksudnya. Kalau si Hugo udah gak berguna kayaknya bakal di-kill.
So Lord Nicholas go past. That the Rune woman is gonna suffer, I'd say.
Serves her right.
Such an educated
Ibunya
woman.
si Hugo ini bakal
Should have joined
menderita
our side.
ketika si Nicholas nanti datang.
But no match for our torture.
Oke.
Must be near here.
Oke, sepertinya emang kesini ya. Dan gua harus kemana? Ini ada pintu.
Get out.
What? Ini pintu siapa cuy?
At least let me die out there.
You wouldn't like it out there, believe me. At
Oh, itu
least
si
the
Nicholas.
carcass can still be of value to our alchemists. Think yourself lucky.
Kayaknya si Beatrice di pintu yang barusan gua ini ya. Atau bukan? Gua gak tahu cuy. Dan di sini gua harus hati-hati juga sama tahanan nih, kalau misalkan dia ngelihat gua, alamak. Dia posisinya gitu lagi.
Hey, kid. What the hell are you doing here?
I have to find my mommy.
The alchemist. Oh, goodness. You shouldn't.
Oke, dia kayaknya tahu sesuatu cuy. Enggak, deng. Dia gak tahu sesuatu ya. Gua kira bakal dapat petunjuk dari dia. Ternyata enggak. So where shall I go now? Di mana penjaranya si Beatrice ini? Ini ada lentera yang bisa gua nyalain nanti cuy. Kayaknya si Amicia bakal kesini juga ya.
Will you answer my question? Or perhaps you're still upset about what happened to your husband.
Oke, gak ada jalan lain ya. Cuma kesini doang.
Our torturer will take care of you. You'll soon have your voice back.
Oh, bakal disiksa dia cenah. Dia kesini. Dia kesini. Oh, kan? Untung gua teh lihat-lihat sekitar dulu, jadi gua langsung tahu harus kemana. Oke, dia pasti balik badan nih. Enggak, deng. Anjay, jalannya petang-tang peteng-teng gitu, skehead. Awas aja kalau misalkan gua udah balik pakai si Amicia, gua lemparin tuh kepalanya pakai batu anjir sampai memar. Sok petang-tang peteng-teng gitu. Mentang-mentang gua jadi bocil. And then where to go? The alchemist must speak today. If she won't speak, we will make sure she scream. Prepare the room. Okay. I see. Kayaknya dia bakal dibawa ke sini ya si Beatrice ini. Terus gimana tuh ini teh? Gua stuck di sini cuy. Bisa ditanya gak sih ini? Gak bisa. Gua curiga sama pintu yang barusan yang di sini nih. Gak bisa dibuka juga. Terus gua harus gimana dan kemana? Atau gua ke pintu yang tadi? Mungkin kesini kali ya. Oh, ini.
Mommy?
Akhirnya.
Mommy?
Hugo? But... So they...
Amicia said you were dead, but you're not.
Amicia? My darling.
Masih hidup cuy, tapi kondisinya kayak babak belur gitu.
No, I'm staying with you.
Oh, Hugo. Did they take your blood? Oh my god.
Bayangin bocil ini loh. Bocil loh.
Right, Hugo.
Ngehindarin banyak penjaga kayak gitu.
But you have to find the keys. They must keep them in the room at the end of the corridor.
Di ruangan di ujung koridor.
Make it there.
Oke. Kuncinya ada di ruangan di ujung koridor. Kita harus nyari kunci itu.
Go.
Oke. Anjir, penuh luka gitu ya.
Be very careful.
Let's go, let's go.
I want everything prepared and ready to begin. Do you understand?
Kita harus nyari kunci penjaranya si Beatrice.
All right, you heard him.
Everything will be ready. The alchemist will talk. I'm going to enjoy it.
I can't see what.
Lah, ketahuan anjir. Gua kira bisa ngumpat di situ. Ya, ulang lagi. Ulang lagi. Lo ketahuan bisa ngulang coy di game, kalau di kenyataan nggak bisa. Nggak bisa ngulang lagi lo kalau ketahuan udah mokat.
Yes, Lord Nicholas. All right, you heard him.
Everything will be ready. The alchemist will talk. I'm going to
Kayaknya kita
enjoy.
harus ke ujung sana ya. Dan di sana ada tangga.
Captain of the guard doesn't
Menuju kemana by the way?
and neither do I.
Yes, of course.
Let me know.
Lama kali ngomongnya teh.
Right. This might get me a promotion. Authority, results.
Oke, gua kesini cuy.
Has to be efficient.
Gua akan naik mungkin. Gua gak butuh Amicia. Dia udah kebohong sama gua.
Have I forgotten anything?
Oke, tapi di sana gak ada tangga cuy. Why? How?
Oh, the rats. They're all afraid of rats. If I can just free them. Yes.
Oke. Kita harus ngebebasin tikus-tikus ini, Cina, karena mereka takut sama tikus. Oke kan?
Oh, that's for the cages.
Kita akan buka ya tikusnya.
Quick.
Ih, dia gak ngeliat gua. Kabur dia.
Well done. Go away. Quickly now. The key.
Wait. Gak ada orang kan? Aman. Tadi kayak suara langkah kaki cuy, tapi gak ada. Oke. Katanya ada di ruangan di ujung koridor. Ruangan yang mana, Cina? Yang ini kah? Bukan. Yang mana tuh? What? What happened? What happened anjir tiba-tiba?
I've got to go back. I have to move the rats.
I have to move the rats.
Lanterns. They don't like lanterns.
Oke. Di mana kuncinya? Cuy, gua gak nemu kunci gerak.
Oh, it works. Shoo.
Oke, ada sesuatu yang mengkilap-kilap. Diam kalian. Diam. Nanti gua kasih cahaya atau rasa kalian.
Don't look.
Oke. Jangan lihat. Nah. Oh, kemana kalian? Oh, itu kah? Oh, itu ya. Di sana, cuy. Oke. Nah, ini dia kuncinya. Lihat. Wih. Gua baru ngelihat itu, cuy. Lihat buntung gitu. Setengah badan. Oke, akhirnya kita dapat.
My head. Stop shouting.
Gua aja kaget loh. Gua aja kaget. Oke, so where shall we go now? Kayaknya gua harus ke sana ya, tapi ada tikus gerak. Oh, bisa nih pakai ini. Kita arahin lenteranya ke sokin. Tapi gimana?
They can still get by. I have to get them out of there. Maybe with the other lantern.
Oke, gua tahu harus gimana. Oke. Kita akan arahin si lenteranya ke sini ya, yang di sana. Ke jalan yang akan gua laluin. Nah, yang ini kita arahin ke sini. Set. Sip. Ngebug. Ada tikus yang ngebug. Nah, yang ini kesokin. Nah, easy peasy, cuy. Aduh, masih belum bisa nih. Gua masih belum bisa lewat nih. Let's san. Kita arahin lagi ke sini. Sip.
I did it. All by myself.
Anjay, keren ya sih Hyuko, bocil-bocil gini juga. Ntar, coy. Gue bisa maksa gak nih? Kayaknya bisa ya. Kayaknya bisa sih. Let's go. Oke, nice.
Mommy, I did it.
Well done. Come quickly.
Oke. Kita akan buka ya selnya.
It's all right.
Capek anjir.
My hero. How do you feel? Your head.
It talks to me all the time now.
And what does it say?
It says it wants me to join it.
The first threshold.
Mommy, I'm scared.
Akhirnya bisa ketemu ya sama si ibunya.
We don't have a choice.
Tapi belum selesai nih cuy.
If I am with you, the voice, are you ready to reply?
The voice. Oke, apakah kita akan menghadapi kutukan
Hugo?
Si Hugo ini?
Can you hear them?
Yes. They all have the same voice.
Okay.
The one that makes my head hurt.
Don't try to ignore it. Embrace it completely.
Okay.
Don't be afraid.
Yes.
Imperium. Oh, kita bisa ngendaliin tikusnya cuy. Oke, oh bisa dikendaliin loh. Hugo can now control rats, hold control to aim. Okay. Then hold to recall. Oh, bisa dikumpulin loh.
You're going to tell them to move so we can get out. Go on.
Oke.
But stay focused.
Anjay, keren cuy, pengendali tikus. Pengendali tikus kita cuy.
My headache's gone.
It was the macula, but you
Anjay, keren.
Let's get going.
Oke.
They must have let rats loose on the prisoners again.
Sini tikus sini. Sini kalian.
Get out of here.
Pergi ke sana. Wah, kabur. Kabur mereka cuy. Takut sama tikus anjir.
This power is dangerous. You have to control yourself.
Yes, Mommy.
Takut sama tikus anjir.
You're not sick, Hugo. It's a gift.
Okay.
I'll explain later.
A gift.
You found her. Oh, maybe I'm going crazy.
Enggak, lu gak gila, gua berhasil cuy. Aman kan? Gua harus kemana nih? Kesini kah? Ada tikus lagi gak yang bisa gua kendaliin? Kayak ruangan apa ini? I don't know bro. Gua harus kesini kah? Gak bisa ya. Gak bisa kalau sama si Beatrix nih. Anjir, ibunya jadi beban cuy, jadi beban si Hugo. Dan ternyata si Hugo ini gak sakit dari dulu guys cuy, tapi ini teh kekuatannya emang gini. Sakitnya karena belum terkendali gitu. Dan si Vitalis pengen kekuatan si Hugo ini. Intinya gitu. Oke, kembali kalian para tikus. Ayo ke sini. Serang dia. Mana tikusnya teh tuh? Oh, gak bisa cuy, gak bisa, ada lampu. Oke. Gak bisa gua kendaliin ya tikus-tikusnya.
Only until we can get through. Don't overdo it.
I'll try.
Oke. Kita arahin ke sini. Wait. Sans. Hop. Nah. Sip. Enak ya kalau udah bisa ngendaliin tikus cuy. Tuh. Oke, pergi dulu kalian. Jangan halangin jalan gua ya. Gua kira bisa buat di-kill gitu si tikusnya teh. Bisa buat nge-kill si penjaga.
Terrible state. How are we gonna deliver this? All we need now is to lose one of these cages.
Oke, kayaknya gua bisa kendaliin tikus ini cuy. Sip. Segimana ya? Segini aja lah. Emang kemana? Bener ke kanan anjay. Itu jalan buat tikusnya ke situ. Sip. Kita kendaliin tikusnya. Ayo masuk sini tikus. Serang dia. Wah, serang. Tikusnya malah balik lagi gitu. Malah balik lagi tikus teh. Oh, ini tikus yang putih ini. Enggak ini ya?
Really? Yes, it's strange. I can feel the black rats, but Not these ones.
Ya tikus yang putih ini berbeda cuy, gak bisa gua kendaliin. Tikus-tikus percobaan. Beda sama tikus-tikus hitam yang ini. Oke. Kita akan ke sini dulu. Apa lo? Udah gua kendaliin. Pergi sana kalian. Oke. Adakah jalan? Gak ada ya? Yaudah, kita kumpulin lagi, kita bersihin lagi ya. Let's go.
Are you still alright, Hugo?
Aja, gua udah.
Funny.
Ya emang menyenangkan cuy. Emang menyenangkan lo bisa ngendaliin tikus kayak gini. It feel a bit funny cara cek si Hugo. Gimana gak menyenangkan coba? Bisa lu pakai buat ops, buat ngendaliin tikus, buat nyerang musuh gitu. Halo. Oke, aman. Let's go.
Mommy,
Ini masih jauh kah?
why do I know how to do this?
It's the blood that decides.
Kenapa aku tahu cara menggunakannya?
Amicia doesn't know.
No, I'll explain later.
We had an argument, Mommy.
It's all right, my darling. Let's get out of here.
Ya, kenapa si Amicia gak bisa ya? Padahal sama-sama keturunan Derun gitu. Why? Atau emang darah yang terpilih aja? Dan ketahuan sama si Nicholas. Oh enggak deh, sama penjaga ya?
So, Beatrice, you are reunited with your son at last.
Kayaknya sengaja ya.
I know what you have done to him. You have taken what you wanted, now let him go.
Sengaja si Hugo dipertemukan sama si Beatrice kayaknya.
Oh, you insult me, Madame de Rune. Your son is the natural carrier of the macula, and it has not yet finished with him, which means neither have I. But this you know.
Vitalis, let us finish this.
Nicholas, you cannot understand. You feel it as I do. Do you not, boy?
Merasakan hal yang sama.
Blood now. What do you think, Hugo? Your family grows larger, huh?
I beg of you. I promise to help you, but allow my son to leave.
His destiny is not to be a Darun. His destiny is to be here, at my side.
You are a
Siapa
monster.
lu yang nentuin takdir anjir?
Madame, you have yet to see just how.
Keluarin tikusnya.
Kill her.
Jangan disuruh dibunuh. Sini tikus sini, lindungin kita. Mampus kau.
I'm sorry, Hugo.
Attack. Kill her.
What do I do?
Oke, kita akan tetap kendaliin tikus-tikus ini, cuy. Dan jangan sampai tikus-tikus ini juga malah nyerang kita. Ups. Hampir aja.
You don't have a home anymore. You're ours.
Di mana?
God, you are the beginning of the
Sini
conjuration.
tikus. Kill dia.
Future depends on you.
Mampus kau.
Hunter.
Oke, ada lagi gerak.
Hugo, listen to my voice.
Naik ke atas sana.
Useless evil. There's a reward for he who kills her.
Be strong.
Terpaksa kita ngebunuh mereka semua, cuy.
Continue!
Dan gua kayaknya gak boleh berlebihan pakai kekuatannya ya, kayaknya.
Too late. Come on.
Oke, gua harus cepet lepas. Oke, ambil lagi tikusnya. Lepas, sip. Aduh, masih ada gerak. Ambil lagi. Lepas.
My son, don't forget who you are.
Aduh, ada banyak cuy ini teh. Ada pemanah lagi di atas. Oh, tikus-tikus. Telat gua anjir, itu satu lagi. Satu lagi cuy.
Be strong.
Prima macula. It's reacting. Continue.
Oh, sengaja anjir ngorbanin pasukan dia demi ngebangkitin Prima Macula. Sengaja gua harus nge-kill mereka cuy. Di-push kekuatan si Hugo ini. Ini gimana? Gak bisa gua andelin tikusnya cuy. Oke, satu lagi. Come on, para tikus ini. Ke atas sana. Nice.
That's enough.
Sengaja di-push kekuatan si Hugo teh.
Hugo, say something. Hugo.
Biar Prima Maculanya bangkit.
He is powerful, but he has not reached the threshold as we'd hoped.
Do you know why?
Kau tahu kenapa?
Amicia. It's Amicia.
How tiresome. But he's close now, and we have other pawns we can play.
Take her away.
Leave him alone. What else do you want?
A lot more. So much more. And you will stay here with me to make sure we get it. Do not worry, Hugo. I have complete faith in you.
Ya, jadi pada intinya kekuatan si Hugo ini masih belum terbangkitkan karena masih ketahan sama ikatan sama si Amicia cenah gitu. Dari yang gua tangkap sih gitu ya. Edan sih. Bocil kayak gini, bocil kayak si Hugo punya kekuatan kayak ngendaliin tikus kayak wow. Tapi bisa gak dia ngendaliin tikus yang ada di suatu negara? Tikus-tikus. Gua gak mau nyangkutin ke politik cuy, gak jadi. Ya intinya gitu ya. Oke, kita lihat cuplikan di chapter 15.
Stay calm, Amicia.
Hugo. Arthur and I tracked you down, but
You disappeared for 3 days, Amicia. You almost died. We were so worried.
Hugo. Leave me alone.
Aduh, anjay. Gua berasa kayak jadi tikus pas pakai si Hugo asli dah. Pas ngumpet-ngumpetnya. Dan udah 1 bulan kemudian, cina.
The others must be up. The rats will be coming. We need to light the fires.
Well, dan itu dia. Makasih yang udah nonton dari awal sampai akhir. Kita akan lanjutkan chapter 15 ini di episode selanjutnya. Dan sampai jumpa.